Want to connect your AirPods with your Apple Watch? I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to pair your AirPods with your Apple Watch, whether your iPhone is nearby or not. It's quick, simple, and you'll be ready to go in no time. So, first of all, on your Apple Watch, press the crown button to open the app gallery. Then find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find Bluetooth and tap on it. Now, you need to get your AirPods. Put both AirPods in the case and bring the AirPods case closer to the Apple Watch. Now open the lid of the AirPods case. After this, you will need to enable the pairing mode for the AirPod. On some AirPod models, you will need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPod charging case. Hold that for a few seconds to start pairing. For this model, I'm holding. Double tap at the front of the AirPod, right below the place where the green light shows up. Once you double tap, the green light will turn white and start blinking. If it doesn't show up, then close the lid and open it again. After that, double tap the same place again until the green light turns white. With this, the AirPod will now be available on your watch Bluetooth settings. Tap on your AirPod's name to connect. After this, you should be able to connect right away. And that's basically it. Now you know how to easily connect your Apple Watch with AirPods. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.